Conclusion for my portfolio, I would like to highlight two different points. The first one is that when you are using technology, and in this case when you are using technology in an assessment situation, you have to identify a real problem. You cannot use technology just because you can, just because it's available, or just because you have seen someone else using technology. You have to use technology because it's actually solving a problem or it's actually improving a situation that you are dealing with. And this links really well with the action research method, because for this method you have to identify a problem, you have to design a plan, you have to apply this plan, and then you have to see all the results that you are going to have. You have to observe. So this is what I have tried to do on the first part of my portfolio. I have tried to identify 4 different problems that you can have with assessments, and how can technology improve this situation. So the first part will be try to identify a real problem, and then it's not just enough with the problem. The other thing that you have to take in account is that this problem has to be measurable. So what do I mean by that? We need a way to measure this problem. So for instance, if the marking is taking too long, so we need a way to measure how long does it take. If it's 3 weeks, 4 weeks, a month, 5 months, okay, something like that. Why? Because when you are using technology, then you can actually see if it has been a benefit or not. If instead of like 4 weeks, now they only are waiting 3 weeks. So then you can see that it has been a benefit. And that's crucial when you are applying technology. The second point, I think it's a very big point, is that when you are applying technology, you are not just dealing with the first problem, the problem that you have identified on the first place. You are going to deal with all like problems that are going to be around technology. This is what I call the side effects of technology. And I have identified 4 side effects based on my experience. These 4 side effects are staff resistance, the technology going down, technology limitations, and using technology or data for the wrong reasons. So that's the other point that I would like to highlight, is that it's not just the problem that you have identified in the first place. You have to be aware that you are going to deal with all the other extra problems, all these other side effect problems. So, and you have to take that into account when you are going to check the benefits. So the benefits have to overweigh the first problem and all the other side effects problems that you are going to deal with.